നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാറ്ററ്റ് മെയ് 2021 കാറ്റഗറി 1 ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 30 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണുള്ളത്. അപ്പം അതിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ 121 മുതൽ 127 വരെ ഒരു പാസേജ് തന്നിട്ട് അതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അത് കൂട്ടുകാർ തന്നെ ഒന്ന് പാസേജ് വായിച്ച് നോക്കാം. തുടർന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വായിച്ചിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഞാൻ വായിക്കുന്നതിനേക്കാളും കുറച്ചുകൂടി നല്ലത് കൂട്ടുകാർ തന്നെ വായിച്ചിട്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിനി അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോകാം. 128ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പേഴ്സ് 128 to 150. ചൂസ് ദ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഫ്രം ദ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഗിവൺ. I must complete my assignment. The passive form of the given sentence is dash. Options A. My assignment will be completed. B. My assignment may be completed. C. My assignment can be completed. D. My assignment must be completed. Answer D. My assignment must be completed. 129ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Identify the theorists who came up with the idea that language is an innate ability and that child brain contains special language learning mechanisms at birth. Options A. Piaget. B. Chomsky. C. Skinner. D. Vygotsky. Answer B. Chomsky. 130ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. After a long run, the convict surrendered before the police. The underlined word can be replaced using. Options A. Got up. B. Went on. C. Gave in. D. Gave up. Answer C. Gave in. 131ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Pick out the question to get the answer 3 or 4 times a week. Options A. How many times do you attended dance classes? B. How long do you attended dance class? C. How often do you attend dance classes? D. How much do you attend dance classes? Answer C. How often do you attend dance classes? 132ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. I prefer sari dash salwar. Options A. Than. B. To. C. For. D. In. Answer B. To. 133ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which of the following techniques is not suitable for improving the spelling of students? Options A. Using substitution tables. B. Creating a spelling wall in the classroom. C. Using flashcards to play spelling memory. D. Creating rhymes and songs using commonly misspelled words. Answer A. Using substitution tables. 134ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Identify the word that is spelled correctly. Answer A. Hygiene. 135ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ZPD stands for. Options A. Zone of Proximal Development. B. Zone for Proximal Development. C. Zone of Practical Development. D. Zone on Priority Development. Answer A. Zone of Proximal Development. 136ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The word tuition has dash syllables. Options A. 2. B. 1. C. 4. D. 3. Answer D. 3. 137ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. My online classes are over, said the boy. The reported form of the statement is. Options A. The boy said that his online classes were over. B. The boy cried that his online class is over. C. The boy shouted that his online classes are over. D. The boy rejoiced that his online classes was over. Answer A. The boy said that his online classes were over. 138ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which among the following is an interrogative sentence? Options A. What a beautiful place. B. This is the book I was reading. C. Why don't you wear a mask? D. The old lady is sick. Answer C. Why don't you wear a mask? 139ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The long drive dash Trivandrum dash Kannur was very tiresome. Options A. In. To. B. Off. to, C. at to, D. from to. Answer D. from to. 140th question. Dash is aimed at the assessing the extent to which the outcomes at the end of the instruction have been reached. Options A. Formative assessment, B. Summative assessment, C. Confirmative assessment, D. Speculative assessment. Answer B. Summative assessment. 141th question. Language skills include. Options A. Listening, comprehending, reading and writing, B. Listening, speaking, reading and explaining, C. Listening, speaking, integrating and writing, D. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Answer D. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. 142th question. Better late than never is dash. Options A. A fable, B. An anecdote, C. A proverb, D. A parable. Answer C. A proverb. 143th question. Which among the following is not a characteristic of inductive method? Options A. It is an upward process of thought and leads to principles. B. There is a less scope of activity in it. C. Child acquires first-hand information by actual observation. D. It is a method of discovery and hence a slow process. Answer B. There is less scope of activity in it. 144th question. The sight of jalebis tempted us. Options A. Do not eat, B. Does not eat, C. Want it, D. Did not eat. Answer D. Did not eat. 145th question. The more you practice, dash you master. Options A. Better, B. Best, C. The better, D. The best. Answer C. The better. 146th question. If I had enough money, dash. Options A. I could buy the necklace, B. I could have bought the necklace, C. I can buy the necklace, D. I can have bought the necklace. Answer B. I could have bought the necklace. 147th question. The sentence Ismail has a car can be changed into negative as. Options A. Ismail does not have a car, B. Ismail do not have a car, C. Ismail did not have a car, D. Ismail does not have a car. Answer D. Ismail does not have a car. 148th question. Speaking skills can be best developed in second language classrooms by. Options A. Punishing children for not speaking in the target language, B. Providing group activities to learners in their mother tongue, C. Giving activities to learners that focus on conversational skills, D. Engaging learners in drafting scripts for role plays. Answer C. Giving activities to learners that focus on conversational skills. 149th question. You is a pronoun in the dash. Options A. First person, B. Second person, C. Third person, D. None of the above. Answer B. Second person. 150th question. Tackled learning is otherwise called. Options A. Teacher-centered learning, B. Enquiry-based learning, C. Kinesthetic learning, D. Audio-visual learning. Answer C. Kinesthetic learning.